Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.97. Now let us examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 5.37%. This equates to an average return of 0.16% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth may occur within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 9% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 7% to 13%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 23.5% over the next year, with potential returns between 12 and 79% and 28 and 54%. This would correspond to a price range of around $584.97 to $666.68 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $518.66 on Friday after gaining 0.87%. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.87% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of December, 2024. It rose from $514.17 to $518.66. During this trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 3.05%, ranging from a low of $509.30 to a high of $524.82. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 1.49% for this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 14 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 59 million shares exchanged for approximately $30.610 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $395.35. Currently, the price stands 3.80%, or $20.49, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the QQQ, which tracks the Nasdaq 100 index, signal important shifts for investors. A noteworthy trend is the potential for enhanced risk-adjusted returns by pairing QQQ with a free cash flow exchange-traded fund, as free cash flow reflects a company's capacity to generate cash after necessary operational expenses. This diversification strategy could appeal to risk-averse investors looking to balance their growth exposure. Looking ahead to early 2025, analysts speculate about the potential for a sell-off in QQQ. Traditionally, year-end performance benefits from seasonal strength. However, transitioning into January could unveil volatility as investors recalibrate their positions after holiday trading. Of particular interest is the entry of MicroStrategy into the Nasdaq 100 index, marking it as a proxy for Bitcoin within QQQ. This inclusion has already sparked increased interest, propelling MicroStrategy's stock. Such developments could enhance demand for QQQ as blockchain and crypto-related assets remain attractive to many investors. However, not all news is favorable. Concerns arise as semiconductor stocks, key components of QQQ, face pressure over artificial intelligence spending and heightened competition. This underscores the volatility associated with technology investments, a characteristic of the sector that could impact QQQ's stock price in both the short and long term. As 2025 approaches, investors are actively seeking promising index exchange-traded funds, with QQQ continuing to be a prime option. The evolving landscape, marked by artificial intelligence innovations and changing market dynamics, indicates that QQQ remains a focal point for both growth and volatility in the tech investment space. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, resulting in a positive forecast. If there are further gains, the ETF is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $525.76. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $512.81. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 16, 2024, and thus far, it has decreased by 3.63%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 73 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $516.47, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically trades at a strong volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $15.52, which is 3.05% between its highest and lowest points. In the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.12%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low price-to-earnings ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $529.92. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $516.47. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $492.10, indicating a decrease of 5.12%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of December, we expect QQQ to open down by $1.07, starting at $517.59. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.